OpenAI has shattered expectations with GPT-5.5, a model so fundamentally re-engineered it's already rewriting the rulebook for AI performance. This isn't just another incremental update, it's a foundational rebuild that signifies a major leap forward in AI capabilities. Its record-breaking benchmarks and significant reduction in hallucinations set a new standard, forcing competitors to rethink their strategies and fundamentally altering the landscape for developers and enterprises. This isn't just a new model, it's a new era. Just 6 days ago, on April 23, 2026, OpenAI officially unleashed GPT-5.5 onto the world, marking a pivotal, almost seismic moment in the AI industry. What makes this launch so critical isn't merely its existence, but its very nature. This is the first fully retrained base model since GPT-4.5. Let that sink in. This isn't a patch, an upgrade, or a fine-tune. It's a complete architectural overhaul, a ground-up reconstruction of their foundational intelligence. The immediate impact has been staggering. Within 24 hours of its release, GPT-5.5 didn't just climb the ranks of the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, it dominated it, achieving an unprecedented score of 60, shattering previous records and immediately setting a new bar for what's possible. The numbers behind GPT-5.5 are nothing short of phenomenal. On the highly respected SWE-bench Verified, it boasts an incredible 88.7%. For general knowledge and reasoning, its MMLU score hits an astounding 92.4%. And in practical coding and problem solving, Terminal Bench 2.0 saw an 82.7%. These aren't just incremental gains. These are new, undisputed benchmark records across critical AI performance metrics, showcasing a leap in cognitive ability. But perhaps the most impactful technical breakthrough for real-world application is its significant 60% reduction in hallucinations compared to its predecessor. This directly addresses one of the most persistent and frustrating challenges in large language models, making its output significantly more reliable and trustworthy. Furthermore, its impressive 12 million token context window allows for processing vastly larger amounts of information, enabling deeper understanding, more complex reasoning, and entirely new classes of applications than previously thought possible. This isn't just about speed or scale, it's about depth and accuracy. The ripples from GPT-5.5's release are already turning into tidal waves across the industry. Competitors like Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.7 and Google's Gemini 3.1 Pro are now under immense existential pressure. These once cutting-edge models are suddenly playing catch-up, forcing them to accelerate their own development cycles in a desperate scramble to match these new performance benchmarks. For developers, however, GPT 5.5 is nothing short of a revolution. It immediately unlocks new possibilities for building highly accurate and context-aware applications, from advanced bug-free code generation to sophisticated data-intensive enterprise solutions that were previously constrained by model limitations. The significant reduction in hallucinations isn't just a technical footnote, it's a game-changer for practical deployment. It makes AI applications in highly sensitive fields like legal consultation, medical diagnostics, and financial analysis far more viable, expanding the real-world use cases for LLMs into domains where reliability is paramount. The AI frontier just expanded dramatically. Looking beyond the immediate benchmarks, this foundational rebuild of GPT 5.5 suggests something profound. OpenAI isn't just pushing the boundaries, they are redefining them. This might signal a fundamentally new approach to model development across the entire industry, moving away from iterative improvements towards periodic architectural resets. The next 3 to 6 months will undoubtedly be a whirlwind. We'll likely witness an accelerated arms race, with other major players scrambling to not just match, but to surpass GPT 5.5's capabilities. This intense competition will drive rapid innovation, benefiting developers and end users alike. But the one thing most people